Having started off with a simple spice product as a feedita on a rocky financial boat, Shubh Food Products has carved a name for itself in the last 18 years. We spoke earlier to Mr. Gaurav Gambhir, founder of Shubh Food Products in Mumbai. Have a look.
You started your journey from a very humble beginning. Today, Shubh Food Industries has gained recognition as an internationally supplier of quality hing. So, please can you elaborate or tell us about the entire product range offered by Shubh Food Industries?
Shubh Food Industries is basically into manufacturing of hing. We do private label for all retail chains in India. We also have our innovative spice range called Tadka Blast. So, and also we have few more products which is in pipeline, will coming in 18 or 19.
Mr. Gaurav, can you please elaborate Tadka Blast?
Okay, so in India, there are lots of states and every state has different taste. Okay, so Tadka Blast is all in one Tadka mix. So we have Maharashtrian Tadka Blast, we have Punjabi Tadka Blast, we have Malayali Tadka Blast, we have Gujarati Tadka Blast, and we also launch Marwadi and coming with all this thing. So you just had to add 1 spoon of Tadka Blast and your food is done. That's it. So it's a combination of all masala in which you have in that घर पे मसाले की बरनी जो बोलते हैं, you have all that masala mixed in that one dabba of Tadka Blast.
Mr. Gaurav, you have earned a huge clientele overseas. So how you have been able to meet the international quality standard and norms?
Okay, so when we do private label for retail chain, so they come to our factory, okay, and they do audit. So during this procedure, we have learned a lot. Okay, so we are 95% automatic plant we have, and we have multiple certification like FSSC and HACCP, ISO. So that again, that's very unique about our company because in hing industry, no one improves them so much to this level. So we are trying our level best to grow more.
Mr. Gaurav, who are your major clients in India?
We are working with DMart, Walmart, Spencer, Reliance, Aladel store in Dubai, and Hypercity, Walmart. We are very fortunate to have such good major clients with us.
You organize exhibition to add on promotional activities, get people aware about your product and let them know about your business plan. So how has been the response of the customer, visitors and your clients?
So Diksha, by God's grace, response has been like very wonderful, very positive, and we also do free sampling here. So we get very instant response from our clients. In fact, before 4 months, we got suggestion from our clients that we should launch Jain Tadka Blast. So 4 months back, we got this feedback, and today, yes, it's there, Jain Tadka Blast. So we are launching Spicy. Spicy is masala spray. So you can spray on your food when the food is cooked. So we have chai masala spray, we have burnt garlic spray, we have chicken biryani spray, and also we have hingi twist, which is flavored hing. It will be in lemon flavor, chili flavor, and kokum flavor.
Mr. Gaurav, how you are empowering Make in India initiative of our Honorable Prime Minister?
See, there are lots of things like there are 10,000 spices companies who are in India. So everyone is making spices, okay. But Make in India, I think it should be more about value. Okay. So when you export your products, spices to abroad, it should represent India. It should represent the taste of India, right? So it should really bring good value, and that's how I think even Shubh Food Industries is in the same line. Okay, so we really want to make our country proud by exporting Indian spices to all over the world.
Here we'll take another short break. Keep watching Emerging SME.